Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about Salesforce editions, and this video is going to be from the perspective of Salesforce admin interview questions. Okay, so as an interviewer, if I ask you what are Salesforce editions, so I expect you that you at least tell me essentials, professional, enterprise and unlimited. And what exactly is a Salesforce edition? That is something that what all the features and functionalities your organization has access to. Specifically, you can tell me essentials is for the smaller team, professional is for more features with custom reports and automation, enterprise is the third one and the most widely used that offers more customizations, APIs and automations. And then if you are working in some MNCs where you have very big organization and you are using Salesforce, so most of the time you will notice that your team is using an unlimited edition. So what is unlimited edition? Unlimited includes all features along with the premium support and enhanced sandbox environment. So before moving on to the next slide where I have created a mind map for you guys, let's go back to this particular website, which is Salesforce Developer. And if you will go through word by word of all these editions available, no amount of Salesforce scenario questions can stop you from cracking a particular admin interview where the questions related to Salesforce editions are being asked. Okay, so just go through this website. Make this website your best friend. And also, I have created a mind map for you guys that you will be able to see. Take a screenshot and then you'll be clear. Okay, whenever I'm being asked about Salesforce editions, I can tell them essential, starter, pro suite, unlimited enterprise, developer, and the older one where we were not using agent force. Okay, so take a screenshot of this if you need. Now let's move to the most asked scenario questions. First is your company is using professional edition of Salesforce and plans to integrate it with an external system through REST API. What addition related limitation you might face and how would you address it? So, as we have discussed, and if you have gone through that particular website of the Salesforce, professional edition do not support API access by default. So to perform the external integrations, you need to either purchase the API access, which should be add-on, otherwise you need to upgrade to the enterprise edition, okay, which already involves the API access. Moving on to the next scenario-based question, a client on professional edition wants to assign different page layouts and different record types to users in different roles. Will this requirement be supported in current edition? No, professional edition do not support multiple profiles or record types. To implement such role-based UI and data segregation, your client should upgrade to Enterprise Edition. Okay, moving on to the third question. Your QA teams needs to test complex automation in a full sandbox. Okay, before deploying to production, you are currently using Enterprise Edition. Okay, you are now using the Enterprise Edition. And you must be aware that Enterprise Edition includes developer and partial sandboxes, but no full sandboxes are available, right? So, to get the full copy, you need to purchase the Unlimited Edition. Let's move to the fourth scenario based question. A healthcare company wants to implement patient management and clinical workforces within Salesforce. Which edition or product would best suit this requirement? So, if you are aware, Salesforce has finance cloud, revenue cloud. So, similarly, we have health cloud for healthcare implementation, and then we can use health cloud with the addition of enterprise or unlimited edition specifically designed for healthcare use cases. Okay, so it has pre-built data models for patient care plans, care team members. Okay, and now let's move to the fifth scenario based question. A startup currently on Essentials Edition is expanding and wants to implement approval processes and hierarchies. Is the current edition scalable enough or would you suggest an upgrade? So if you know the Essentials Edition does not support advanced automation, okay, so in that case, you need to at least have the Enterprise Edition. A developer needs to write Apex code and deploy custom components to solve a business need, but the organization is using Professional Edition. Now, if you want to make this change, you need to know that Professional Edition do not support Apex or Visual Force. So you cannot write the custom code, which means you need to upgrade yourself to Enterprise Edition. The next scenario based question. A sales manager wants real time dashboards and collaborative forecasting capabilities for the team. They are on the Essentials Edition. So, if you know, for the Essential Edition, we have limited reports and dashboards capabilities. And to improve and increase the real time dashboards, we need to move from Essentials to Enterprise. Let's move to the next question. An enterprise wants to build a partner portal where external distributors can manage leads, deals, and campaigns. So, if you are aware about a partner portal, what's a partner portal? So, Salesforce offers experience clouds. We have experience sites, and within the experience sites, we have employee portal, customer portal, and partner portal. Okay. So when we are using a partner portal, we should have Experience Cloud along with the, since you will be logging in for the partner portal and you will have people who will be logging in as partners. So you need to have partner community licenses for the same. And this is the cloud, this is the license. And what will be the edition? The edition can be enterprise or unlimited. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Your non-profit client has limited budget but needs automation tools like flows, case management, and standard dashboards. So, what we are going to use in this enterprise edition with non-profit success pack. So, you can suggest your client this, okay? And then moving on to the next scenario based question. Your organization is planning to adopt a full DevOps pipeline with multiple sandboxes, chain sets, and version control integrations. Which Salesforce editions would be ideal for this development lifecycle? So now, if you see they're using DevOps also, they need multiple sandboxes, they need version control, chain sets. So the best we can offer would be unlimited edition. That's it for today's video. Thank you.